What happens to joint accounts at death? Have you ever wondered what happens to joint accounts when one of the account holders passes away? This is an important topic in estate planning that can affect how assets are distributed. Joint accounts are shared financial accounts held by two or more individuals. They are often used for convenience, but understanding their implications is key. One of the main features of joint accounts is the right of survivorship. This means that when one account holder dies, the surviving account holder automatically inherits the entire account balance. The funds in these accounts typically do not go through probate, which is the legal process for distributing a deceased person's assets. There are different types of joint ownership. The first is joint tenants with right of survivorship. In this arrangement, when one owner dies, the remaining owners automatically inherit the deceased owner's share. This makes it easy for the surviving account holder to access the funds. They just need to provide a death certificate to the financial institution, and the process is usually straightforward. On the other hand, if the account is held as tenants in common, each owner has a separate share of the account. When one owner dies, their share is distributed according to their estate plan or state laws. This often requires probate, which can complicate matters and delay access to the funds. In estate planning, joint accounts can be a useful tool. They allow certain assets to pass directly to beneficiaries without the need for probate. However, it is important to use them carefully. Joint accounts can sometimes bypass other beneficiaries named in a will, leading to unintended consequences. Now, what if there are no surviving account holders? In this case, the joint account becomes part of the deceased estate. An executor or administrator will need to be appointed to manage the distribution of the account's assets. They will follow the deceased will or state laws, which may involve probate proceedings. In summary, joint accounts can simplify the transfer of assets upon death by avoiding probate. However, it is essential to consider how joint ownership fits into the overall estate plan. Consulting with an estate planning attorney can help ensure that joint accounts align with your goals and avoid any unexpected issues.